Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify dropshipping for passive income, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Shopify for dropshipping, first, create your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. Once signed up, choose a plan that fits your budget and business goals. Next, select a niche for your dropshipping business. Research trending products within that niche to identify potential items to sell. Make sure to consider competition and profit margins. After deciding on your products, search for reliable suppliers. Platforms like Overlo or Spocket can help you find dropshipping suppliers easily. Once you have your supplier, import the selected products into your Shopify store. Ensure to craft compelling product descriptions and high-quality images for each item. Next, customize your Shopify store's layout to reflect your brand. Choose a theme that resonates with your target audience. Set up essential pages, including your About, Contact, and Policy pages. Next, configure your online payment system. Shopify supports various payment options. Choose what works best for your audience. Now, set competitive prices for your products to attract customers while ensuring a profit. It's important to factor in shipping costs and your desired profit margin. Once your store is set up, focus on marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms to promote your products and engage with potential customers. Consider running paid ad campaigns to drive traffic to your site. Email marketing can also be effective for increasing sales and retaining customers. Next, monitor your store's performance using Shopify Analytics. This data will help you understand customer behavior and make necessary adjustments. As orders come in, maintain communication with your suppliers for smooth order fulfillment. Customer service is crucial. Ensure you respond promptly to inquiries and issues. Over time, continuously analyze which products sell well and which do not. This information can guide your future inventory and marketing strategies. Remember, patience and consistency are essential as you grow your dropshipping business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.